As most of you know, I had been working on setting up my summer garden for about a month now. But few days back, there was an upheaval, and I'm looking at potentially losing weeks of preparation in matter of hours, just about when it was time for the seeds to become fruits. Cyclone Taukte had hit my garden. The wind didn't keep us guessing, blowing at over 100 kilometers per hour, and of course, it was pouring like anything. It was brutal. It spared nothing. We have an open terrace, so there is no shelter for the plants as such. The heavy downpour literally tore through my plants. I rushed out several times to make drainage holes in the soil for water to escape. Covered the soil with cardboard to protect the roots and reduce soil displacement. All this and whatever else seemed right in the moment. The futility of my efforts is fairly evident. But if there's anything that these recent times have taught us, it is to stay hopeful. So, yesterday, when it all seemed calmer, I inspected the plants closely. To help the plants recover faster, I added some soil wherever the roots got exposed and a stick for the stem to lean on. I feel a day's good warm sun should help the plants recover quickly. This needed a little bit moving around of the plants. Some of the leaves looked seriously damaged. I removed them. It works like a haircut, Lifting the plant's mood actually plants growth. To help roots recover from stagnant water, I also poked some holes into the soil, along with loosening the top layer. In fact, I lost some sown seeds to stagnant water in the seedling pots. But on the brighter side, I collected a couple of cuttings from broken plants and set them for rooting. I guess this is the cycle of life. A few plants have also sprouted new growth. Looks like humidity has worked magic on them. Hopefully, all my efforts have not gone down the drain. I'm hoping to get at least one good harvest before monsoon touches Mumbai. Fingers crossed. Take care. I will see you very soon.